Hello viewer, in this video I am telling about the upcoming changes to the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro Max. First, a non-Pro model will reportedly receive an upgrade to 8GB of RAM and Wi-Fi 6E. The iPhone 16 Pro, which was previously only expected to the new extra tetra prism camera for the Pro model, will also include this feature due to a larger form factor. Both phones are expected to receive an upgrade to a 48 megapixel wide angle camera sensor for improved low light performance. The iPhone 16 Pro models could potentially launch with the unified volume button and flash capacitive capture button, although it is unclear if the change will make to its final consumer model. Finally, there are reports that Apple will be changed to the design of the iPhone 16 Pro model to the punch hole camera design instead of the current camera and Face ID setup. The specification of iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, both models boast 120 Hz LTPO OLED display, ceramic shield 3 protection, and the new dynamic island are interface and cover the selfie camera and Face ID sensor. The iPhone 16 Pro 6.3-inch display and expected to launch around 1100 USD, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max has a larger 6.9-inch screen and 4500 mAh battery with an anticipated 1300 price tag. The iPhone are powered by the A18 Pro chips and 8GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. The series will also support 5G and Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 7 and chip with iOS 18. The presenter mentioned that the new iPhone 16 series is likely to offer more AI function and improvement to Siri and as well as better image processing. The new chipset promises increased power and efficiency, and while fast charging details are still unknown, improvements are expected. The video concludes by mentioning that the official launch is yet to come, but the more information will share as the come available. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.